Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry I haven't been recording in a while, but I'm back. Oh, and today I'm going to be doing some. Got a J20. I'm gonna be chugging it without burping. So let's get into it. Thank you guys for watching.